morning. Today I'm going to fix those leak around the pressure pump. There's no need to film the whole thing, I just show you when it's all over. I need to change this. And there I had a leak last time. Let's do that. Super hot outside, so I will fix the leakage late in the afternoon. I got everything ready anyway, so it won't take long. Before that, I'm gonna work on the painting now. Fair bit to do. Yeah, let's try to do more painting. You know, to go around the door there. I feel the sun sleeping. Okay, let's do this bit now. Okay, everything's been rebuilt. I hope there's no more leakage. I have to tighten this one. That's it. Let's pray. Jam's still working hard up there. The little one got up and it's up there in the carport. Probably messing around.
What you doing?
Feel tired. This heat make me feel very, very tired. I can see there's a lot of rain coming up, but we'll see. Cheers. Cheers, big ears.
Give me back.
That chicken doesn't belong to us, but they're always here. There. They always come here. We had a lot of black clouds around lately, but no water. No rain. Maybe later. Hope so. So what are you doing? You do a big mess?
Yeah, one.
Go.
What's nice? Huh? Nice the mess?
Oh, more work.
Yeah.
Oh, you do horse riding? Okay,
It's gonna be break.
that's good. What's up, my love?
Did you say Joe?
Go. Oh, you gonna do horse riding?
She's showing you how good she is. Bella, where are you going? You wanna go home?
What's up?
Okay, I want to drink water.
Typhoon messing around.
Go, Daddy, come. Walk to me, come. Babe,
What
baby.
are you doing now? Okay, tomorrow, no plumbing. We're going to the mountain farmhouse to celebrate San Isidro Labrador patron. It's a patron of the farmers, something like that. It's popular in Spain too. So we're gonna have a bit of a party up there at the mountain farmhouse. I hope it doesn't rain, that's all. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.